Okay, what's up, guys? Hopefully, y'all had a really great week. Happy Friday, TGIF. All right, finally going into the weekend. Some more NFL playoffs. So good luck to your team. Um, I like the Green Bay Packers. Hopefully, they do well. We'll see. We'll see how they do. But anyway, let's take a quick look at the markets, and we'll run the numbers that the government put out this week as far as holdings. So first of all, top left-hand corner of your screen is a TLT. This is a long-term Treasury bond ETF. So you can see what I'm looking at is the 120 level, and we had a nice little breakout yesterday, really nice breakout. So we pulled back about halfway today, which is sort of natural, to pull back halfway, and then very well may be off to the races from here, at least for a little while. The levels that I'm looking for are 125. There, you'll get some resistance there, and then 130. So if we get through 125, we'll get to 130. And in my other models as well, my oscillators, it looks like that bonds are going to take over from stocks as well. Probably actually in the last couple of days, they probably took over from stocks. Speaking of which, in the bottom right-hand corner, we have the S&P 500. And look, we've been hitting our head right up against this like 2280 level. Today we made new highs, which is pretty awesome, but only by very little. And if you look down here, the MACD, it started to diverge. So our MACD is coming downward like that, while our S&P 500 is basically range bound right here. So the other thing I wanted to say about this that's very important is, so the government numbers came out this week talking about holdings, and it looks like a lot of the insiders, insiders that work in the business, dealers and such, are quite short right now. So they're even more short than they were last week, and retail traders are about the same. Retail traders are still long. So you can look at that, and you can kind of make a forecast as far as, so the insiders are looking for the market to come down here, probably to this level, right about here, right about the 2200 level, thereabouts. From there, who knows? We'll have to reevaluate when we get there, but that's what the insiders are looking for right now. And we'll find out week by week if that continues to be the case. But that's what they're looking for, and it kind of goes along with this MACD, and it kind of goes along with this improvement in the TLT. So that's the story right now with the big money. That's where the big money is going. Just quickly to touch on the dollar. So the dollar had this pullback, and then a nice day today. So whether we continue our move up, that's possible, but if you look at it, actually, it looks like if you connect the dots, this may have been breaking this support of this upper channel. So we had this upper channel in the dollar. This may be a break of that. So what you might see is a little bit of action here, but you may see a movement downward from here. And maybe not that far. Maybe to like, I should probably, show you that the support's here at 100. So you might see several things, right? So you could see the move down to 100, and then the other shoulder, and then downward. That's always possible, and that would make a head and shoulders, right? Or you may see a move down to 100 and might go back up. Tough to tell, tough to tell. Right now we're at this level 102 where there's a little bit of support and resistance at this level, so we're at a junction. If it goes higher on Monday, then you're probably looking at a new high, but more than likely it comes back down to 100. Lastly, you want to look at crude oil since we've been talking about that for several weeks. We saw this soft breakout, this not so high quality breakout, and we've just been range bound since then basically. We did make a new high a couple days ago, but that failed, and we had a big move downward, and we're still in this range between 52 and 54. So we'll see where we break out of there. We're still above the previous channel, so still very possible for us to go up to, even all the way up to 60, but for now we're still range bound. All right, so that's it for today. Um, hopefully you're all trading very well, and hopefully you all have a fantastic weekend. All right, you guys, have a good one. Bye bye.